So I'm working on my daughter's car again. This is the car that I replaced the bumper on after an accident. And the car was running weird. She normally lives out of town. I don't drive the car a lot, and I could hear a noise, and it sounded like a tire out of balance. And sure enough, I rotated the tires, and the front passenger side, the tire is wearing really bad in the middle. So it's got a negative camber. So I went ahead and bought some camber bolts for the car. These ones allow up to 1.75 change, so almost 2%. And I figure this in combination with the normal one that can go about 1%, that I should be good to go. If it's more than 3% off, I got a serious problem. So this company is Specialty Products Company, part number 81260, for 2005 through 14 Mustang, and they're 14 millimeter. And I'm going to show how to install these. It's not hard to do, but I don't want to go through another set of tires. I have a funny feeling that tire on this side is going to probably be have to be replaced, so I don't want to go through tires anymore, and that's why I'm doing this. And again, these I'll show the process. You can also get the Edelbrock ones. I think they're all made by the same company in China. They all look identical. Mustang stock, you need a 11/16. Thought it was 11/16. No, it's the 13/16. So it's held up by the two jack stands, and go ahead and remove the wheels. On these cam bolts, you can see there's a lobe there. This tab has to face the bolt, the side of the large lobe. So a 19 and 15 is what's needed. Okay, now we torque to 97 pounds. Again, you want the upper lobe, which is what the instructions show you, is you want the upper lobe and the little notch to be at the same position, so like that. So as you can see, there's an upper lobe, and there goes the instructions. On the driver's side. The other little cue is if you want to know where the lobe is the facing down. So there's a little arrow that points down. That's the higher end of the lobe. That way you know you're offset there. But again, the tab will face the front. All right, so torque to 97, and again you need a 15 and a 19 millimeter socket, and 19 millimeter wrench helps, but you do not have to have that.